think AJRC has a depth of experience and expertise in various fields and various areas that is unique in this area.
One of the original founders, William S. Smith, was very innovative for his time. Back in the 30s and 40s, he designed over 100 Greyhound bus stations in the Art Moderne style, using a lot of Art Deco detailing in the projects. He also did the first airport in Louisville, the Bowman Field, and he also designed the first skyscraper in Kentucky, the 800 building. Recently, we have been staying ahead of the game because we were one of the first innovators and implementers of BIM in Louisville.
BIM is a visualization and coordination tool. We work early in the process to visualize projects with our clients. We coordinate drawings with our engineers. In doing so, we save time and money for both the designer and the client.
All of the customers that we have provided BIM services for have been very pleased with the results. They're particularly pleased with the 3D capabilities of the BIM work that we've done.
AJRC provides a lot of personal attention and service and detail to, we listen to the client's needs and also expand on and provide more than what they expect.
Our visionary leaders team with like-minded people to create a special team every time we have a project. A unique team, a team that's focused and has the skills to be the best.
I've been with the firm for approximately 32 years.
I've been with AJRC off and on since probably 40 years.
Whichever a client comes to us, we can feel confident in providing them a good design because of the varied experience of the firm, of all my colleagues, and with all the architects working here, we can give the best design the client requires.
Healthcare design is probably one of the more complex building types that anyone will encounter. I mean, you have not only the building itself, the aesthetics, the building system, the circulation, you also have to worry about the end users. And it's a different category. You're worrying about getting people better, improving their life, improving their health. And putting all that together into one big package that works well is a challenge, but it's also an adventure every time.
We built a 10-story building on top of an existing 5-story building by building an addition at the north end and at the south end, and then crossing those two additions with a bridge and putting a 10-story building on top, and then recladding the entire building. And the original 5-story building stayed operational the whole time.
The most memorable project, I would say, is the African Outpost restaurant. And it was a restaurant with an African theme in that area of the zoo, and it had a natural thatched roof with heavy timber eucalyptus poles. And the neat thing was we wrote the specifications so that the materials and the construction were provided by the same company, and allowed us to hire a company that had construction workers come from Africa, from all different tribes. And they all worked together on the project using natural reed thatch that was stitched together over the eucalyptus purlins, and they were doing this as if they have done it for the last 100 years. So it was as much of a cultural experience as it was a unique construction technique that I've never seen before.
BIM will continue to become the standard, the gold standard for the development of construction documents. A very complicated process made easier by a very useful tool.
The future of BIM, energy analysis, the understanding of our performance of our building before it's ever been built, before it's been remodeled, are looking for ways to take an older building and get it up to modern codes. These are all tools that are right at our fingertips. Your imagination is your limit here, really.
We're reaching out to facility managers and strategic planners to let them know that AJRC is to help them incorporate BIM. We understand the challenges that they face, and we want to develop BIM that will last them well into the future.